tortillas.
Okay, so the first thing we want to do is walk over to the sink and wash our hands. Ready? Yep.
Okay, so first our ingredients are we have 2 cups of corn flour and a third of a cup of regular flour and 1 cup of water. Okay, so we have our ingredients in our bowl and now we're going to pour in our water. Now we're going to mix. Okay, so now we're finished, and this is what it's supposed to look like. We don't want it too wet or too dry. And now I'm going to hand it over to Manny, and he'll show you guys how to press.
So first of all, this is our presser that we have to use today. So what you want to do first is you want to get a little ball of the tortilla mix, and you want to put it like that. You don't want to make it too big because then it goes over the sides. And you can make it as small as you want. You put it in the middle of the tortilla press. And we tamp it down a little bit, make sure it stays there. And now we fold this over like this, and we fold the handle over, and we press down. You undo it, you take the wrap out, and that's supposed to look like. Now that we finished pressing the tortilla, we moved it over to our skillet at medium temperature, and we are keeping it here. We're waiting it for the bottom to get hard, because if it's not hard and we try to flip it over, it's gonna fall apart since the dough is not that rough yet. So what we want to do now is just check if the bottom is ready. Okay, it's ready enough. So we're gonna flip it over. So what we're trying to do now is for the bottom to get hard again. And as you can see, bubbles are starting to form, and this is good because one last time let's flip it 3 times. One to get the bottom hard, the second one to get the bottom hard, and the third one so it could actually inflate like a balloon in a way. So we're going to talk about our setup here. We have a skillet set at medium temperature so the tortilla could rise, and so the tortilla could actually be ready to eat. Then we have a skillet at a slightly less temperature, so we could move the tortilla to the other skillet, and that's where we would begin the quesadilla process by putting the cheese on it and making it ready to eat. So now Frank is going to show us how to make the quesadilla.
Okay, so we have our cheese, and we're going to just take some, and we're going to place it on half of the tortilla, kind of spread it out a little bit, and then we're going to fold it over and let it sit until the cheese melts, and then after that we will move it over to our plate and we are ready to eat it. Flip, and now we're going to flip. The cheese isn't quite melted yet. I want it to get a little bit darker. It's ready. It's ready, man. It's ready. It's ready, man. We're going to flip one more time. I think it's about ready.
Sorry, move it over.
So we're going to grab our plate, put it on here, and now we're going to cut it in half. And this is what it should look like inside.
3. Okay, thank you for watching us. and we hope you enjoy your homemade quesadillas. And wow, these are good. Thank you.